All right, number 8. It says we can use the visualization to answer the question. I think we can do it without. It says set the values of A, H, and K to A is 2, H is 1, and K is -3. What is the vertex? So vertex equation is HK. Vertex A x minus h squared plus k. If we were to plug those in, our equation would look like this. A was 2, x minus h. H was 1, so we just put -1. And then squared, and then k was a -3. So I can say +3, I can just say -3. So when we extract hk, remember we do the opposite sign, which that would give us a 1, and we keep the same sign. Or basically it's the same numbers that they told you here. They have already identified h and k. So our vertex is 1, -3. Now if you did do the visualization, popped up on the other screen, it just gives you this. It shows, and you can plug in A, you just drag it over to be 2, K is 1, I'm sorry, H is 1, and K is -3. And it just shows you right there, 1, -3. So it's the same thing by hand, or you can plug it in. Okay, number 9. It says select equation type ax² plus bx plus c. We're going to check the x-intercepts and vertex boxes. We're going to use the sliders of the function to graph this function, and then we're going to find out which of the following is written in vertex form, which of these would match. Okay, so 2x², 4 minus 6. Let's do this, popping up on my other screen. Okay, so we're going to check this one. It says check this type of equation first. We're going to check the boxes for, what did it say? Vertex and X-Intercepts. So we want Vertex X-Intercepts. Right. We're going to have our A value be 2. Take one. Can I just type it in? Arrow over. There we go. And one more time. Okay. That is 2. B is 4. Wish I can type it in. Dragging in 4. Go back 1. Okay, and then C is a -6. So we're going to drag this over to -6. Get as close as we can. There we go. So this is the equation that we get. Now, we can see the vertex right there, -1, 4. We can see our vertex, -1, 4. Okay? So I can almost get that equation just from that. I have y equals, I don't know what A is. X, my vertex was -1, so minus a -1 will be +1 squared, and then plus 4. So remember, opposite of HK when we plug that in. So this is my vertex form. I don't know what A is. This is an underline. I do know that it is positive because that parabola is opening upward. Okay. So let's pull that image back up. This is opening upward, so we do know that this is positive. We have no x-intercepts because this graph is all above. We can see it crosses at 6, but that doesn't really help with anything. So we can start there. All of these are positives. These say 1, 8. And why did I have a 4? Did I get the wrong value for vertex? Vertex, we got 1, 4. Did I do every? No, I didn't do all the numbers right. That's what it is. Let me minimize this. We need a -6, not a +6. That's what it is. -6. Uh-oh, I went too far. Go back. Okay. Click. Left one. There we go. -6. Okay, so this is what I want. And then we have intercepts. There we go. So you can use those intercepts and plug in and see which ones give you 0. That wouldn't be bad. And our vertex is -1, -8. Okay, so let me fix this. I'm going to set a +4. This will be a -8. All right. So let's start from there. +1, -8. We'll start from there and go with process of elimination. I don't need the textbook. Where is my problem? Okay, so they all, 3 of them have -8. This one has a -1. We need a +1. Okay, so +1 -8. The only one that matches with the vertex is B. So we don't even have to use the other ordered pair to figure out the 2. We got +1 -8 when we plug into our vertex form. And so B would be our answer.